In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automatically create invoices in Zapier. We're going to build a simple automation that creates an invoice for you the moment an event happens in another app. By the end, you'll have a reliable workflow that saves time, reduces manual data entry, and keeps your billing consistent. First, log into your Zapier account and click Create Zap. This opens a blank workflow. I recommend giving your Zap a clear name so you can find it later, especially if you plan to build more automations. Next, choose what will start the automation, called the trigger. This could be a new order in Shopify, a new row in Google Sheets, or a new deal in HubSpot. Use whatever aligns with your process. Select the trigger app and event, then connect your account when prompted. Zapier will guide you through secure authentication. Once connected, choose the specific source, like the correct store, spreadsheet, or pipeline if asked. Now test the trigger. Click Test Trigger so Zapier can pull in a recent example with fields like customer name, email, and purchase details. If nothing shows up, create a quick sample order or row in your app, then test again. Seeing real sample data here makes mapping fields much easier in the next steps. Add your invoice app as the action. Common choices include QuickBooks Online, Xero, or Wave Accounting. Pick your preferred tool, then choose the Create Invoice action. Connect your accounting app account if it's your first time, and confirm Zapier has permission to create invoices. It's time to map the invoice details. Use the sample data from your trigger to fill in fields like customer name, email address, product or service, price, and due date. Zapier will suggest fields from your trigger, so you can click and insert them. Keep an eye on any required fields your accounting app needs, and double-check formatting for dates and currency. If your tool supports line items, map product names and amounts accordingly. Run a test by clicking Test Step. Zapier will create a sample invoice in your accounting app. Open your accounting tool to confirm the invoice looks correct. Check the customer, items, totals, and due date. If your app can send invoices automatically, verify whether the test sends or stays as a draft so you don't email real customers by accident. When everything looks good, click Publish or turn on Zap. From now on, each time the trigger happens, Zapier will create an invoice for you. For example, when a customer places an order in Shopify, Zapier creates an invoice in QuickBooks Online, which can then be sent to the customer automatically.